when it comes to synthetic wigs, most times you have to do a little bit of work, customize it a bit to make it look, really nice, like finesse it. And I always encourage them that after they're done tweezing, they should take out time to brush the wig thoroughly, because usually you have, strands of hair still, hanging around the wig, and until you brush everything out, you're going to keep experiencing those, strands fall off every now and then. He said to them, "Go into all the world and preach the gospel to all creation." Mark 16 verse 15. Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Queen Blessyn. Yes, I hope you guys are doing amazing. So today's video is a wig review. Okay, I got this wig from a company called IC. They reached out to me on Instagram and told me that they have this beautiful wig that they wanted me to try out. I'm like, okay, you can send it down, let me see if it's something that is nice. And you guys know that anytime I have something new, I always want to come here and share with you guys so that we can, talk about it, share our mind, share your opinion, and all that good stuff. So they sent me this wig, and I'm going to just unbox it right away. But first of all, I really like the packaging. It's super cute. What do you guys think? I think it's very economical and cute. But anyway, we're not here to try the package. We're here for the wig, right? Okay. So this is what the unit looks like straight out of the package. Wow. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Now this is a synthetic unit, but it's premium fiber, it's high quality, and it comes with a tag. Okay. This wig is so lovely. It looks really, really nice. Okay, I'm gonna go into all the details, but for real, for a synthetic unit, wow, I really love the color combination. Like, the color combination is everything. So I'm just going to go into details about this wig. First of all, it has the lace in front. Okay, I'm messing it up a bit, but I'm going to work around it. It has a little bit of lace here that you're supposed to cut. Is a center part wig. Comes with breathable mesh net. It comes with 2 combs on the side, like here and here, and 1 at the back. It also comes with the regular adjustable strap. For me, it's the color for me for this wig. The lace parts would need a little bit of work. Maybe not necessarily tweezing, but just a little bit of powder to make it look really realistic. So I'm just going to go ahead and, throw it on, take this one off and throw it on so we can see it. But before I do that, I want to show you guys the other things that came in the package. So they sent the wig tutorial on how to care for the wig. They sent lashes and the wig cap. So yeah, if you order them, you're going to get these items as well. And there's also a discount code. I'm going to leave that in the description box below, as well as the link on where to shop for this wig, in case if it's something you'd like to try. So without further ado, let me go ahead and throw this wig on, okay? Alright guys, so this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. I decided to tweeze the front part just where the lace meets the scalp, because it was too bulky at that point and it didn't look realistic. So I just went in with my tweezer to tweeze that part to make it look, really realistic. I haven't cut the lace yet because I just wanted to show you guys, what it looks like. This wig does shed. I'm gonna say that it does shed, but again, I mean, it's a synthetic wig and it's not something that is not bearable. I think also because of the fact that I tweezed it, I was able to pull out this much hair from the wig. So I usually tell anybody, like my friends, when I'm talking to them about wig maintenance and stuff, I always tell them that when it comes to synthetic wigs, most times you have to do a little bit of work, customize it a bit to make it look, really nice, like finesse it. And I always encourage them that after they're done tweezing, they should take out time to brush the wig thoroughly, because usually you have, strands of hair still, hanging around the wig, and until you brush everything out, you're going to keep experiencing those, strands fall off every now and then. So going with a very good brush, I usually like using the metal pin brush for wigs like this, because it's very sturdy and is able to like brush through the wig. So as you can see, because it's the metal pin brush, it just goes easy. Or you can use the detangling brush, those funny shaped brush, hair brush for synthetic wigs. They're really good. They will detangle every knotty area. And then whenever you want to brush your wigs, always start from the tip. So you go this way, so that way it's easier for the top to glide, you know, all the way down, because sometimes we tend to want to start from the top and then we notice that it starts to mat at the bottom. So always start from, you know, the tip and gradually build your way all the way to the top, and that way you'll find that it's easier to actually brush your wig. So that's what I'm doing here. So you just go like this and you see that the top will just glide through. So I'm just brushing the wig out, you know, nicely, so that I can get out all those strands that are all over the place. And yeah, I don't think you would experience much shedding afterwards. If you don't twist it, you probably won't even experience much shedding. But if you do twist it, then it's going to shed because of that reason. So I'm going to go ahead now and try and just customize this unit, make it look more pretty and fly. So stay tuned and keep watching. First thing I'm going to do is to cut the lace, and I'm going to be sectioning my hair using a butterfly clamp. I'm using a very small scissors here, and I'm just using the zigzag method. That way the lace, you know, when you cut the lace, it doesn't cut like a straight line. I don't like that. So I'm just trying to finesse it and make it look realistic. Next thing I'm going to do is going with a Got to Be Glued Blessyn spray, just for, you know, that extra flat look. And I'm going to be using a scarf to just tie it down, nothing major.
A few moments later.
So I'm just taking off the scarf and about to get this wig to the point I need it to be. So I'm going in with my hair wax, and I'm just going to keep brushing and brushing, guys. Like, I can't overemphasize how important this is, because you just don't want to go about and, you know, strands of hair just falling everywhere. So you need to brush, and that's what I'm doing. Now the next thing I'm going to do is going with my coiling wand to flatten the top and to melt that wax that I applied earlier on. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing now is applying my powder to the lace part. This color is kind of bright, but I was able to use my mousse to tone it down, as you'll see shortly. I would always recommend to use a little bit darker, you know, foundation or powder color concealer, because you don't want it too bright and all that. So I had to go in with the mousse all over the strands of the hair to just to slick down every part of the wig and to tame it down. So I'm going in with a darker shade of powder just to cover up the parts where the lace hits the front of my forehead. And then what this method, I just usually scarf down the wig just to make the wig look flatter, because I don't like when my wig is, you know, puffy at the top. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just putting in more mousse to make the wig tamed and slick.
A few moments later.
So this is the final look of this wig. This is what I've been able to achieve with it. I know it's not like the most perfect, you know, finishing, but I mean, this is what I want to do right now, because I'm not really going anywhere. I'm just filming for you guys. But I think this wig is, like I said earlier on, lovely. There's no other thing to say other than the wig is lovely. I really love the color combination. I love the finishing. I love the fact that it is synthetic but doesn't even look like or feel like synthetic. And I have been brushing this hair, apart from the previous one, like I told you guys, after I twist this hair that came off, I haven't really experienced a lot of shedding. You could get a couple of strands here and there, but trust me, it's nothing to worry about. For a synthetic unit, it is nothing to worry about. And it fits nicely. I believe it's big head friendly because there's a lot of room allowance. In short, I had to tighten it very well because my head is pretty small, and it takes heat very well. Just make sure you don't go above 400, okay, because I use 360 on my coiling wand. So yeah, I just use the coiling wand to, you know, smoothing out the middle part. And yeah, so I'm just brushing it so that you guys can see that the strands are not coming off crazy. Okay, this is the brush, because I need to be sure that I'm being very honest with this review for you guys. So this is the brush. Let me just brush it really hard. Okay, this is all the strand. After the first bulk one that came out, this is all that is coming off. So all in all, I believe this wig is a steal. If you ask me for the price, is actually a steal, and it's really lovely. So I'm going to show you guys the length. Okay, so this wig should be about, I think, 26 inches long. Yeah, that's just one strand from there, but it should be about 26 inches long, because it's coming to like just beneath my boob area. And this is what it looks like at the back. That's what it looks like at the back. I'm really feeling the wig, and that's the side view. And that's the side view. Okay. And I think you can also put this wig in a ponytail, like if you don't want to, you know, let it down. I think you can wear it in a ponytail, like so. I think you can do this as well. It just depends on your preference. You can put in a ponytail. That's like a low ponytail like that. And yeah, I think that's about everything. So what do you guys think about this unit? Personally, I think it's really lovely. I know I've said that over and over again. I think it's a good wig. The quality isn't bad at all for a synthetic wig, and I think it's chic. I just like the color combination. I've been seeing this color combination for a minute, and I kind of like I've always wanted this color combination. So when I eventually got someone that said, oh, I'm gonna get you this color combination, I was so excited, guys. Who doesn't like free stuff, huh? Who doesn't like free stuff? Okay, so yeah, that was me just messing around, but truly I think it's a very lovely wig. So you guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this wig. I don't want to talk too much. I'm just going to go ahead and sign off now, and hopefully see you guys soon in my next video. I don't know what it's going to be about yet, but we'll figure it out. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're still trying to hit our first 500. Don't forget, guys, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates or any uploads from me, as well as like, share, and comment. I always love to read from you guys. Seriously, like, I literally love to read from you guys. So I look forward to your comments. And yeah, if there's anything else you want me to do or any content you'd like to see from me, please tell me in the comment section below. Okay, till I come your way again next time, keep staying fabulous, keep staying beautiful, keep being a star. Okay, I love you guys. Toodles.